Well, we are dealing with mostly cloudy conditions across the area. It is warm. It's also breezy ahead of our next cold front, which is expected to move through later on tonight. But ahead of that cold front, we will see scattered showers and thunderstorms, and a few of those thunderstorms might get strong to even severe. So 76 degrees right now in New Orleans. It is breezy right now. Our winds are out of the south-southeast at 16 miles per hour, and it feels humid out there across the area because our winds are out of the south. So that's continuing to pull in that Gulf moisture. So right now our cold front is off to the northwest, really draped over northern Louisiana, and we're beginning to see some strong thunderstorms ahead of it and also some downpours embedded within those thunderstorms. We do have a flood warning out to the west there. You could see that polygon right there beginning to flash along I-55 closer to Kentwood, points north, tracking some heavy rain, and also ahead of that cold front beginning to see isolated thunderstorms, some downpours beginning to pop up on the north shore this afternoon. As we head to the south shore here along our river parishes, beginning to see some isolated showers, some thunderstorms. The metro area at the moment is dry, but I am tracking some light showers south of New Orleans and our bayou parishes at the moment, and coastal areas are dry. So as we take a look at the winds are howling out of the south between 15 to even 24 miles per hour, and it is going to remain windy all afternoon heading into tonight. When that cold front slides through, we'll begin to see our winds shift out of the north, pulling in that cooler air. We are also getting wind gust readings of 29 miles per hour out in Shell Beach. So taking a look at your wind forecast here, it looks like the wind gust could get up to 30 miles, even 31 miles per hour as we go through today. Winds should remain sustained out of the south between 10 to 15 miles per hour, and as I mentioned before, eventually shifting out of the north. Here's a look at your temperatures. It's warm. We're in the lower 80s, upper 70s, middle 70s, and there is a severe weather threat for our entire area. North Shore areas and also southern Mississippi under a slight risk, which is a level 2, a higher chance of seeing isolated tornadoes. And then on the South Shore, a level 1, a marginal risk where we could see heavy rain, strong winds, and can't rule out an isolated tornado as well. So we will continue to watch those stronger thunderstorms as we go through the entire day. Important forecast. Again, we have plenty of parades rolling tonight, and yes, showers and storms are in the forecast. Temperatures will remain rather mild around 5, even into the 7 o'clock hour. And then look at this. We have our winds now out of the north at 20 miles per hour, and same deal as we head into the 9 o'clock hour. The good news is it is not going to rain all the time. We will see a few dry breaks, but just make sure you have that umbrella with you and definitely a poncho. Taking a look at the parade forecast, on Friday, it's going to be windy, 50s, cooler, plenty of sunshine, and the weekend forecast really not that bad. It is going to be chilly on Saturday, 50s, 60s on Sunday. Plenty of sunshine, and then on Lundi Gras, partly cloudy skies, 70s, and then we'll begin to see clouds roll in on Mardi Gras Day, but temperatures will be in the lower 80s and also breezy. So timing things out here as we go through the 3 o'clock hour. Notice we're beginning to see those isolated thunderstorms beginning to pop up. Heavy downpours are certainly possible, and that will be the theme as we go through the evening hours. As we head into the 6 o'clock hour, again, we will see a few dry breaks, but then we'll begin to see showers and storms begin to really fire up as we go through the rest of the evening, and then that line eventually will begin to move through the area as we go through the overnight hours. I do want to show you how chilly it is going to get as we go through the overnight, with temperatures falling into the upper 30s in Macomb, Kentwood, lower 40s in Bogalusa, and then the metro area, we could see our temperatures fall into the mid 40s. So here's a look at your 7-day. Upper 70s today, strong to severe thunderstorms as we go through the afternoon, a 60% coverage for showers, a chilly start tomorrow, 52 and breezy, and remaining chilly on Saturday, and then jumping ahead to Mardi Gras Day, 81 degrees, and a few isolated showers are possible.